Hi everyone, how are you today? Welcome back to my another video on geometry, and for watching my next videos you can subscribe this YouTube channel. In this video we're gonna solve some geometry problems which are about congruent triangles. So let's start them. The first question: for each pair of congruent triangles, A, list the corresponding sides and angles, B, find x and y. As you know, when two triangles are congruent, they are equal and all the corresponding sides and angles are equal. So in this question, two triangles of ABC and DEF are congruent and all the corresponding sides and angles are equal. So I name this angle A, this angle C, and this angle B, and in this triangle, this angle D, this angle F, and this angle A. So these two triangles are congruent. It means that they are completely equal. So firstly, all the corresponding angles are equal. So A equals D, C equals F, and E equals B. And all the corresponding sides are equal too. So AC equal DF, CB equals FE, and AB equals DE. So AC equals X and DF equals 5. So X equals 5 and CB equals Y and FE equals 6. So the side of Y equals 6 and AB equals DE. The next figure: in this figure, two triangles of ABC and CDA are congruent, so all the corresponding sides and angles are equal. So two triangles of ABC and CDA are congruent, so the angle of ADC equals the angle of ABC, and the angle of DAC equals the angle of ACB, and the angle of DCA equals the angle of CAB. The side of AD equal BC, the side of DC equals AB, and the side of AC equals the side of AC, and the side of AC is a common side. And now we want to find the angles of X and Y. So the angle of DCA equals the angle of CAB. So the angle of DCA equals Y, and the angle of CAB equals 35 degree. So the angle of Y equals 35 degree, and the angle of DAC equals the angle of ACB. So the angle of DAC equals 55 degree, and the angle of ACB equals X. So the angle of X equals 55 degree. The next figure, in this figure, two triangles of ABC and EDC are congruent, so all the corresponding sides and angles are equal. So the triangle of ABC is congruent with the triangle of EDC. So firstly, all the corresponding sides are equal. So AB equals DE, AC equals EC, and BC equals DC. And for the angles, the angle of BAC equals the angle of CED, and the angle of BCA equals the angle of ECD, and the angle of ABC equals the angle of EDC. So the side of BC equals 42. So two sides of BC and CD are equal. So the side of CD equals 42, and two sides of AC and CE are equal. So AC equals 40. So the side of CE equals 40. And for the angles, two angles of ABC and EDC are equal. So the angle of ABC equals 60 degree, and two angles of BAC and CED are equal, and the angle of BAC equals X and the angle of CED equals 65 degree. So X equals 65 degree. The next question, write a congruent statement for each of the following. Assume the triangles are congruent and that angles or sides marked in the same way are equal. And for this question, we write a congruent statement, which is writing all the equal sides and angles in the two triangles in this figure. So for sides, two sides of PQ and TS are equal, and two sides of RP and US are equal, and two sides of QR and TU are equal. And also about angles, two angles of QPR and TSU are equal, and two angles of PQR and STU are equal, and two angles of PRQ and SUT are equal. So we can conclude that these two triangles are congruent. The triangle of PQR is congruent with the triangle of STU. The next figure, in this figure we firstly write all the equal sides and angles. So the side of AC equals the side of AD, and the side of BC equals the side of BD, and the side of AB is a common side between two triangles. So AB equals BA. And for the angles, two angles of CAB and DAB are equal, and two angles of ACB and ADB are equal, and two angles of ABC and DBA are equal. So we can conclude that two triangles of ACB and ABD are congruent. The triangle of ACB is congruent with the triangle of ABD. The next figure, in this figure we write all the equal sides and angles for the two triangles of DCB and DAB. So the corresponding sides are DC equals AB, AD equals BC, and DB is a common side, so DB equals BD. And the corresponding angles are two angles of BDC and ABD are equal, and two angles of DCB and DAB are equal, and two angles of ADB and DBC are equal. So we can conclude that these two triangles are congruent. So the triangle of ADB is congruent with the triangle of DBC. We finished all these problems, and I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.